Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore more ways to format text elements in Google Slides. If you highlight the text you want to format and then go up to the Format menu and select on Align and Indent, you can align your text elements to the left, center, right, justify them across the page from left to right, increase or decrease the indent. And we're actually going to see in a later video how useful that can be when you're dealing with lists. Or you can move that text to the top of the text box, the middle of the text box, or down to the bottom of that text box. So you can place that text in its containing element pretty much wherever you want. Lots of different ways to do that. It all depends on what your style is, how you want it to look. But that's how you can change the alignment and indentation for text elements in your Google Slides.